is finally here. I wanted to show you my garden.
Right, it's time now to pay our first visit this week to one of your gardens. And we're off to the Netherlands and the garden of Reshmi Sarkar.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our 2-meter square garden. It's June and let me give you all an update. We never thought that we could have an apple tree in our balcony, and when we saw that apple trees were available in the garden center, we were delighted. Although we were on the 6th floor, yet we saw many bees coming and pollinating our apple cherry blossom. Let me now show you a few baby apples that are in the making. Who would have thought that we could get a heart-shaped apple? Last year, when the apples started turning green, we had a lot of special visitors who enjoyed the harvest more than we did. This year we have grown Cosmos from seeds, and we have got 2 varieties. One is an European variety which we got from the supermarket. The other one is an Indian variety, the mustard one, which we particularly got from India. To keep so many plants organized, we have chosen a bigger basket and we have used smaller pots individually for these Cosmos and put a multiple of these pots into this basket. It gives us a more coherent look and makes it more exciting. If you keep deadheading the Cosmos, then it will keep on blooming throughout the season. So we make sure that we keep on deadheading, starting with the ones that are wilting, and there will be many more that will come out after you deadhead the dead ones. Let's talk about marigold. I have fond childhood memories about marigolds. They hold a very special place in my heart, and I have made sure that I have plenty of them in my small little garden. And these are the Indian variety. That's why they are so bright and orange. I love it. From Monty's video, this planter was filled with tulips, but as the season of tulips are over, we have replaced the bulbs with tomato plants, and a lot of them are having flowers, so we are very excited to harvest some of our favorite cherry tomatoes. My previous videos, you may remember that we have exchanged some of our cherry tomato plants with some salad greens, and look at our greens now. They look so good. Our cotinus is in full bloom now and it's buzzing with bees. Bulbs are doing great, the ones we potted together, and our gladiolus looks very healthy. And I also see a lot of other bulbs we planted. The fuchsias are also coming up.
Down by the
Now let's go indoors and show you our guest bedroom turned greenhouse and what are we growing in there. We all know that Indian cooking cannot do without chilies, and we tried growing our own chilies. We went to the kitchen, got a red chili, took out the seeds, and we planted this chili plant from seed.
Down by the water.
Another Indian vegetable that we are trying to grow are okras, and they have just started sprouting, and we have some baby okras. Let me show you.
Down by the water. With the laughter play. Down by the water.
Another big success for us is this jalapeno, and we have many baby jalapenos, as you can see. And by the way, we also have this huge kanna behind me, and I've grown fond of it so much. We just treat it as a house plant, and we are not willing to let it go outside. I love it so much. I hope you have enjoyed watching our tour of the garden and our indoor greenhouse. See you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.